E-invoicing is transforming how businesses handle invoices. And 2026 is the year it becomes mandatory in Europe. Instead of sending PDFs or paper invoices, e-invoicing uses structured digital data that flows directly between business systems, reducing errors and manual work. With e-invoicing, invoices are automatically validated, transmitted to tax authorities, and securely archived, often in real time. This improves compliance, speeds up processing, and ensures more accurate tax reporting. For companies operating across countries, each market may have different formats and rules. Without proper tools, e-invoicing can become complex and time-consuming. Nexway's platform automates e-invoicing for digital businesses. From compliance to reporting, it handles multiple countries and formats, so your team stay focused on growth, not paperwork. 2026 is here. Understand e-invoicing, stay compliant, and scale with confidence using Nexway. Contact us today.